The harvest is complete, and the field falls quiet. But the one who understands the land knows the real work has just begun. The straw, once part of the crop, now lies scattered. Burning it isn't right, and leaving it behind won't solve anything. The soil struggles to breathe, and the next sowing gets delayed. Leaving the field like this after harvest, it's neither beneficial for the soil nor for the next crop. With every bale, the baler paves the way for more productive soil. Now, gather the straw, sell it, turn it into fodder, or even use it at home. There's profit in every bale. Owning a baler is no longer just a dream. Get the financial support you need with IFFCO Kisan Finance's trusted loan solutions. Take the next step in preparing your field today. Because after every harvest, a new beginning is waiting. Apply for a loan from IFFCO Kisan Finance today.